Hi, in this video I'm going to give you 3 tips to look after yourself whilst in the middle of a pandemic. If this is something that you're interested in, come on, let's do this together. Hi, my name's Sabrina Phillips. I'm a mental health nurse and currently working as an interim director. On this channel I talk about nurse career advice. I also do some simple lock hairstyles and budget travel tips. If this is something that you're interested in, please like, subscribe, leave some comments, do share, and let's get into this video. So tip number 1 is take some time off. I know that it's been difficult this year, for the last 9 months or so, we've all had plans and had to cancel it, and it just feels like, what's the point of, taking some time off? But what I would say is when you do take a break, you can just relax, you can just stop, but also you can give yourself permission just not to do anything. And that is not doing work, not if necessarily not speaking to friends because you've been speaking to friends and just need some you time. So I'd say if you can, do book some time off and just do what you want to do. The second tip is say no. And that seems really like, why are you telling me to say no? But also I think being in a caring profession, we are instinctively caring, and we want to help people and we want to be supportive, and we feel that we must say yes to the next request and the next request, and then we've said yes so many times we then feel really overwhelmed. So what I'd like you to do is, where you can and where you've looked at your schedule and there isn't another space in the diary for a meeting, there isn't another space on your to-do list, you haven't done the other 9 that you have said yes to, just say no. That's it. Nothing else. I don't want you to say no, but I don't want you to say no because no. Just say no. Try and keep your mouth closed. See what happens. I've done this before and I've been surprised. Nothing happens. People just go, okay then. And you go, oh, yes, because I think people are understanding. They know that we've all got lots to do, and if they've always come to you to ask you to do stuff and you've always said yes, if you've said no, it's for a good reason. But like I say, people are really understanding, and if you say no, they don't go, but are you sure? They just go, okay, and then they will go ask somebody else. So I'd say just say no. The last tip is take a break from social media, from your gadgets, from YouTube. Silly, I'm saying this on the YouTube channel. Read a book, just sit, write, just stop looking at a screen. Our lives have become so consumed with Zoom meetings, team meetings, whatever the platform that we're on, that it is hard. Some of us have had back-to-back meetings from 11 till 5, and then we're trying to catch up with the work. I think when you have your break, when you said no, just switch your gadgets off and just have a time free of gadgets. So that's it. Those are my 3 tips. Let me know if you tried any of them. Let me know if any of them helped. Let me know if you'd like to discuss any other thing. So thanks for watching, and let's be bold and brave together. Bye.